your AI action plan for the next 30 days. Let's be honest, most learners don't struggle with learning, they struggle with implementing. You have completed this course, you have seen the potential of AI, you have explored tools, built workflows, understood ethics, but now the big question is, what do I do next? It's easy to fall back into old habits, business as usual. While the notes from this course sit untouched, without a plan, your AI skills stay theoretical and your progress stalls before it even begins. And that's why this lecture is all about action. You leave here with a clear 30 days roadmap designed to help you implement your first AI powered systems, gain visible results that boost your productivity or revenue, build confidence through small repeatable wins, and position yourself as an early mover in your industry. You don't need a complete overhaul, you just need focused execution, one smart step at a time. Let's build your AI action plan together. So, here is how to turn your course insights into a 30 days implementation sprint. Step 1 or week 1, set up your personal AI assistant. Goal is to create 1 to 2 AI powered workflows for tasks you do weekly. Action steps: identify 2 tasks. Example, email writing, meeting summaries, or idea generation. Write your prompt templates. Use what you built in earlier lectures. Save these in Notion, Google Docs, or your CRM as reusable command prompts. Now use these AI assistants daily for the next 5 working days. For an example, act as my executive assistant, summarize this meeting, and write an email follow-up for the client with next steps. This sets the foundation for daily time saving. Week 2. Automate a repetitive workflow. The goal is to build one automation that saves at least 1 hour per week. Action steps: pick a process you repeat, lead follow-up, content repurposing, or weekly reports. Choose the tool: Go High Level, Zapier, Make, or ChatGPT plus Sheets. Set up the automation with simple triggers and AI generated actions. Test it, tweak it, and let it run for the week. This is where you start delegating to systems. Week 3. Launch AI powered content. The goal is to publish content using AI, visually, verbally, or text based. The action steps would be to choose your format: blog, video, carousel, email, or social post. Use ChatGPT for ideation and copy. Use Canva, DALL-E, or Hagen to create visuals or videos. Post 3 to 5 pieces across your preferred platforms, and you are now building brand visibility at scale using AI. Week 4. Reflect, optimize, and expand. The goal is to review what worked, document learnings, and expand what's working. The action steps would be to review time saved, results gained, and feedback from outputs. Identify your best performing workflow, scale or duplicate it. Refine weak spots, example, prompts, visual tone, using AI feedback, and document what to repeat next month. You are now creating your own AI operating system that is unique to you. AI does not replace action, it amplifies it. And now you have got the clarity and structure to make real, measurable progress. Not someday, but starting now. And I have a final challenge for you. Choose one goal for the next 30 days, whether it's saving 5 hours a week, publishing consistently, or reducing your reliance on freelancers. Let AI help you get there. Document your progress, measure the impact, and then share your story, because someone else out there is waiting to learn from your journey. You have finished the course. Now it's time to lead with what you have learned. Let's build the future, one smart system at